Okay, this is Bill Wynn, and people have been asking about doing the wallet upgrade or installation on Mac. And so here I am on a Mac. I'm not in my office, so I'm a little bit like a fish out of water, but let's go for this. So first, let's qualify what is currently installed on this MacBook Pro. I do have in my apps the wallet. So let's start this up, and remember, anytime you get some kind of a setting like this, make sure you click allow so that the wallet can communicate through the internet, through your firewall, modem, router, internet service provider out to the internet to contact the ProCommerce server and make sure it's communicating with the blockchain. Okay, so we have a wallet installed. It is far from up to date because I don't use this computer for mining actually. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what version this is. This is 1.2, okay? So, but let's go ahead and do this. Remember, the first thing to do is to back up the wallet. File, backup wallet. Save it on the desktop, and we'll just save it as wallet. And now what I'm going to do, before I go upgrade this to 1.3, I'm going to go ahead and close this. So I like to use Command Q for quit, and the wallet's gone. The Pro wallet's gone. Now you see the wallet file here, wallet.dat, and remember this can be moved between operating systems, between platforms even, Windows to Linux to iOS. So now let's go and download the version 1.3. So here I have Chrome opened, and I'm going to procommerce.io. Okay, so here we are, and on ProCommerce, we're going to make sure we download the newest Mac version, which if we do hover here, we see there in the bottom that it is version 1.3. In the other Windows video I did, you had to go to GitHub. Here, you don't have to. You can do it right off of their website. So we're going to click download, and we're going to have to wait a while for that because my internet is slow. Okay, so we can see that the file has downloaded. So what I like to do again, here we'll go ahead and show in folder. That way we know where it was downloaded to, and I have mine set up for downloads. I'm going to go ahead and drag this over to my desktop. I'll go ahead and minimize all this, just like we did before to clean it up. So now this is a DMG file, which is the same as an exe file. This actually did not download zipped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double click this DMG file, and we'll see that it is opening. Here we have the app, and in most cases what you really just want to do is put that right into the apps folder. Or let's, since Finder's open, let's go ahead and open up a new Finder window. And so I'm going to again make these so I can have multiple windows showing. And over here on the left hand side we're going to see apps. Now you may not see this, you may have this set up differently on your Mac, but anyways, if you don't see it there, this is applications here, and you can delete it from either. Basically what I'm suggesting right now and doing is that you go to the Pro Currency app and you actually delete it, move to trash. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move our new app here over to applications. Boom. And we see that what's happening now is it's actually extracting and installing. Okay. So now we have our app here. I'm just going to click it, double click it to run it. Now again, double click, single click, people have their Mac set up differently. So even though I make one video It's possible that you have your trackpad set up differently, and it's simply not feasible to make, 20 different videos out of all the possible different options in browsers. Okay, so this is an interesting point. What here we see is that it's actually not going to open. Let's click OK. And the reason for that is security. So we go up here to the Apple, we go to System Preferences, and we go to the Security and Privacy. And what you see here is this lock. First we have to unlock it. So you have to put in your password and all that. And now what's happening, you see here, it says allow apps downloaded from App Store, identified developers. We have this note right here, Pro-currency was blocked, but we want to put open anyway. So now we see that it was an unidentified developer. You should want to open it, open. This is probably the little part right here that a lot of people miss, is the security in the newer operating systems. So we can actually just close that now. Now again, anytime you get some little notification like this, you want to make sure you want this program communicating with the internet, with the network, with the blockchain. So we have this, and now we see down here we are 1.3, and we are now syncing with the blockchain. So that is successful installation of Pro Wallet 1.3 on a Mac. If you need to find, so for example, if for some reason you come back, you don't have any coins, you need to install your wallet, and then we will get there. Let's go ahead and look over here. We have this on the desktop. We can go ahead and eject that. We don't need that any longer. This is different than Windows in that it is installed in the applications. So now we need to find out where in the directory of Mac is the wallet file if we wanted to actually take this one from our desktop and put it there. So I'm going to put a plug-in for the Facebook group. If you're not part of this Facebook group, you really should be, because it offers massive support. So and if you don't know how to use searching the group, you really should, because it offers massive support. So here's this little search this group. I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in Mac because I want to find the posts within this Facebook group that talk about Mac. So here we see this. Now I happen to know I'm looking for a specific file that I have posted in here some time back. And here it is. This is a picture of the directory structure to find the wallet file. So here we go, Bill Win, library, application support, Pro-currency. Okay, Bill Win, library, application support, Pro-currency, and here's our wallet file. Okay, so if I needed to replace that wallet file, I can always go to the desktop and I can drag that file in here. I'm not going to because everything's fine. But so that is the location if you needed to delete that and replace it for some reason. There is a video I did called, I think it was like another syncing fix. And in that we actually delete all of the files in here except for the wallet file. And that is because it'll just kind of give your wallet a reset and it'll start downloading the blockchain. Here's the blockchain. This is the blockchain file. So when you delete all these files, leaving the wallet, and then you restart your wallet, it begins to download everything again. It's nothing to fear. This is the most important file. This wallet file is everything. It tells your wallet the settings of your wallet. It determines the addresses that are in your wallet, the coin, the transaction history. I cannot emphasize enough that you need to be backing up this file. It's extremely important. So make sure you do that. if you're mining a lot of coins, if you have transfers coming in, you want to be backing that file up every day, if not real time, to Google Drive, OneDrive, some cloud storage, real-time backup. Of course, if you're on Mac, you can use Time Machine, real-time backup. That would also be recommended. But yeah, so that is technically it. What this wallet's doing now is downloading and updating. And for some reason, if it did hang up, I would go to that directory and I would delete all those files except for the wallet. Let's just do that for fun, actually. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to Command Q to close it. I am going to go to the Finder. Remember, it's Bill Wynn, Library, Application Support, Pro Currency. And here, let's go and take all these files right here. See that? And we're just going to move to trash. We left just the wallet file. Okay. So now I'm going to go to the applications. I'm going to open the wallet. And I'm going to allow all the time. Now you see it says 0, but you see it has a historical record of transactions. So what's happened here is, although I have all my settings proper, I have the correct addresses that I should have, I have the transactions, you don't see any coins, because as the blockchain downloads, the blockchain is the ledger, the public ledger of where different coins, of which wallets should have received coins. So as that downloads, it'll actually populate this wallet. And you can see it starting to download right here, the white bar starting to go across. Okay, so we're going to stop there. I think we've been successful, and I hope that this was helpful to you.